Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side here. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires as well. And then we're going to take a look inside. You have cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side of the truck here. And then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back, you have a factory trailer hitch. We're going to take a look at the bed as well. But first, we're going to take a look at the tonneau cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now. You have your cruise as well as audio controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. That's a Kenwood stereo. You have your dual climate controls and a USB port here, as well as 4-wheel drive. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.